In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to download and install the drivers for Asus laptop. I am into the global website of Asus, which is asus.com. You can see there is an option here for support. If I select support, if I click on support, it is asking me to switch the website location to India. So this is my current location. It will take to the Indian web page. So this is the website for Indian location, and there is an option here under support. You can either click on support. Since we have already got into the support page, even if I click on the support page, I'll be taken to the same web page. So if I select download center, there is an option here to choose either for model or for serial number. If you know the Asus serial number, you can either select serial number and type the serial number. Because I only know the model number, I will enter the model number of the Asus. Let me search for any model number of Asus laptop. I will go to amazon.in. Let us say if I have purchased any laptop of Asus, and let us take example of this laptop or this laptop randomly. So this is the model number of the laptop. If I go to the download center again, then I will just enter the model number. You can see the results of the models being listed here. So this is the model number which I have to choose. Let me check if this particular model is OLED laptop. So this is not a OLED laptop, and I have to select this model. I'll click on the model, and we can see here there is an option to download the drivers and tools. You just click on this driver and tools here, and if you select drivers and tools, select the operating system for which you wanted to download the drivers for. If you select others, definitely it will not list any drivers. So this particular driver is all for Windows 11 64-bit edition. You can search for the driver which you are looking for. So there are drivers for networking, there are drivers for, so basically this is an AMD laptop. Yeah, this is an AMD laptop. So that is why it is listing AMD chipset driver, and there is a driver for AMD graphics, which is Radeon graphics driver. And you can see there are drivers for Bluetooth, there are drivers for biometric, and also for the networking pointing device. If you want to download the drivers, you can just click on the download option here. The drivers gets downloaded, and all you need to do is you need to and select yes. Once you have selected yes, then it will ask you to install the drivers. If you click on OK, then this particular chipset driver will get installed. So this is how you will be able to download and install the drivers for Asus laptop. Since I have already installed the drivers for my laptop, I don't want to install any drivers. I will say no. I will cancel. I'll say yes. And let us try for other model. I will search for this particular model type, and I will go back to the drivers. I'll go to the find another model. Click on download center. Search for the model type, and you have the model listed here. Go to drivers and tools. All the drivers are listed here. I think this is also AMD laptop. Yeah, this is also AMD Ryzen 7 laptop. That is why it is listing the AMD chipset and AMD graphics. And also we can see there is a driver for NVIDIA, because this particular laptop model includes, this is a tough laptop. This includes NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. So we have the driver for NVIDIA graphics adapter. If you want to download the graphics driver for NVIDIA, you can just click on the download option, and once it is downloaded, you will be able to download and install. You can also check the description when it is released. So this is the date of the release of this particular NVIDIA chipset driver, and you can also check when the RAID driver is released, and also you can view more information about the driver. If you click on show more description of the driver, it is going to list the information about the driver itself. We can see to which operating system this particular driver can be installed, and also when the driver has been released. Always visit the manufacturer website, download the latest driver for your laptop hardware, because if there is any issues, if there is any display which is not working properly, or if there is any audio issues, the latest driver will fix the problem. So always visit the manufacturer website and download the latest driver for your laptop.